This is such a sweet, sweet, sweet gal. She's so pretty. And I think if her skin was treated and she was well cared for and loved, well, she would be just a super beauty, a supermodel. Oh, yes, you make those little sounds. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, rah, rah, rah. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. She's adorable. And she rolls on her back and shows her belly full of, right? Yeah, that's right. We had a lot of babies. We had a lot of babies. I know, I know. She's such a good girl. She's a good walker, very slow walker, very friendly, very adorable. She's beautiful eyes. Yes, beautiful eyes. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. That's right. That's right. A very good girl. Come on. Are you gonna run? Are you gonna run? Are you gonna run? Oh no, you're coming here. You're giving me your puppies. You're giving me your puppies. Oh, what a friendly character. What a friendly character. I love her. Look at that tail wagging there, huh? Wagging away. You're like a helicopter. You could fly, huh? You could fly. That's right. Look at her on my lap. She's so sweet. So that was just a little segment on this beauty. And I hope that her time of happiness, you're making those noises. I love those noises. Though at night it would not be so funny, right? You would prevent anybody to sleep. Yes, like a snoring man. Yes. Good girl. Very good girl. Come on.